Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a nice, crisp, clean inside drywall corner using a drywall corner tool. In this video series, I've also showed you how to skim coat a sheet of drywall on a large drywall repair. And in part one of this video series, I showed you how to deal with the brown drywall paper being torn while removing the black mirror mastic. Then I applied the Guards Problem Surface Sealer to lock down all the drywall brown paper. I'll leave links down in the description to all the videos in this video series. Alright, let's get into the video. Okay, so here is the area I'm going to be doing the demonstration with the corner tool. It's a ceiling repair had been done by the homeowner. I fine-tuned that, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use this corner tool. You can get online or at any of the big box stores. I'm also using all-purpose joint compound, thinned down a little with water right there in the mud pan to about a pancake batter consistency. Okay, what I'm doing is just putting a strip of joint compound along the top edge of the corner, and then I'm going to do it on the wall the same way. I'm putting about an inch strip of joint compound on my 12-inch taping knife and just placing it in position. Before I add the tape, I'm going to take my corner tool and go ahead and wipe that down so it's all nice and consistent, and there'll be a nice bed for the paper tape to lay in. I prefer using paper tape for inside corners because it leaves a nice crisp line. Fiberglass mesh or anything like that really doesn't do a good corner. Alright, so I'm going to take my corner tool and apply the same amount of pressure to both sides with my index finger in the middle. You can watch the mud as you go and kind of make some adjustments. The more you do this, the better you'll get. Alright, so now I'm going to figure out how much paper tape I need for this just by rolling it out below the joint compound that's wet. Now I'm taking my index finger and marking where I'm going to tear it. Now you want to crease the paper tape right in the middle. There's a factory fold area, so it's pretty easy to do. Now you want to place the paper tape right in the middle of the corner by pushing it in, and then just kind of smooth over it a little bit to get any crinkles or anything out. Okay, this is crucial. You want to start in the middle and work out, and then in the middle and work the other direction. Same amount of pressure. I'm going to clean the knife off real quick. Now I'm going to go the opposite way from the center. This prevents the crinkles from happening. Now you could leave it how it is and then come back after it's dry and do what I'm about to do. But I'm going to go ahead and get another coat of mud on the top of the tape because I'm going to be skim coating the walls and ceilings again, and so I will not have to mess with any of this corner. This technique is also great for remodels or repairs. So I'm just getting the mud up there, being really gentle, not to pull on the tape or anything. And I'm going to come back with the corner tool and just smooth it out. You don't have to start from the middle this time because the tape is pretty well stuck. One more wipe. As you can see, it gives a beautiful corner. But if you're not skim coating, you're probably going to need to go over it one more time after it dries to get a nice, clean, tight corner. Let me know in the comments what kind of drywall project you're working on, or if you have a video request. Alright, I'm seeing a couple spots that I want to hit this one more time. Both the ends, I kind of want to blend in with this coat. I'm just going to give it a quick pull from each side. I just want to fill that a little bit. One more time. This is going to be tight. All right. There it is. The corner. I'll leave a link to a YouTube playlist where I show all kinds of DIY drywall tips and tricks in the YouTube card above now. If you watch this whole video, leave a hashtag DrywallTube in the comments. That way I know who's watching these videos. And if you're looking to step up your drywall texturing or painting game, be sure to hit that round icon in the middle of the screen now to keep up with all my latest videos. And if you have a friend that's a DIYer, be sure to share this video with them on Facebook or Twitter. Check out one of these videos down below. Thanks so much for watching.